Hi, my name is James Bottomley. I come from Seattle. I work for IBM as a distinguished engineer in IBM Research, and today at Kernel Recipes I was talking about the TPM and how we can use it to enable crypto ecosystems in such a way that we can improve the security of all of our private identity keys whenever we use them.
Anything else you want to cover? Like an anecdote or something else that you want to share?
Okay, well, so unusually for a vegetarian, I am somewhat of a foodie, which can be difficult in cities like Paris, where the cuisine is very rigidly prescribed in terms of meat, and more meat. Although I have to tell you that a long time ago when I was a kid, I used to dread coming to Paris because it was almost impossible to find vegetarian food unless you collared a waiter and explained exactly how to do it. Nowadays, Paris is actually very cosmopolitan. There are lots of different types of vegetarian food. And even some of the great French chefs have taken to doing vegetable cuisine. So in other words, Paris has transformed itself from becoming a culinary horror for vegetarians to becoming somewhat of a nice place for vegetarians to visit.